Next again we are using our hand to give the shape. You can see we are giving shape with the hand. And now we are making a fish with the marker. We have made the eyes and the face. Next we will add the shades to it. You can see how realistic it is looking now. Next we will add the texture. You can see how we are adding it, and after adding the bubbles we will color it. You can see we are using the highlighter here, and we will color with different colors to make this beautiful fish. You can see how beautiful it is looking now. Now again we are using a small hand, a baby hand, on the paper to make a different fish. So we have first made the face with the eyes and some fins we have added of the fish. Now we'll make the tail with the marker. You can see how we are adding the texture to the fish to make it look more beautiful, and after adding the texture we'll add the texture to the tail. Now we'll add the bubbles, you can see, and we will start coloring it. So at first we are coloring the face. Thank you very much for watching the video. So again we will use our hand to make a pineapple. We have made the grass part with our hands. We have given the shape, and now we are using the marker to make the fruit. Next we will add the texture to it patiently, and we will add some dots in between. Now we will color it, and you can see it is ready.